On top of our cross slide is mounted our compound. The compound is capable of swiveling 360 degrees. It is kept at a 61-degree angle, or 29 degrees off of parallel to the cross slide. Okay? And there's a very specific reason for that, and it has to do with threading, which you will be doing later on in this class. Okay? You will be required to swivel this thing around in your second project to make a tapered turn. So you will need to take it out of position, do your work, and then move it back into position. On top of our compound is our tool post. Okay? That's bolted down. You will have to loosen that and swivel it around so you can present your tool in the proper orientation to your work. Now, we have our tool holder. Okay? This tool holder is capable of putting in the front position or the side position, depending on what you are doing. Okay? So, you will be needing to put that in both positions. You will be needing to raise and lower this tool bit by loosening the locking nut and adjusting the thumb wheel to raise and lower your tool to get your tool bit on center. And when I say on center, we have a center line axis through the center line of our spindle all the way to this point here. So we're going to show you how to set your tool using our live center. Okay, have I lost everybody yet? Okay, alright. On the back end of our lathe, we have a tailstock. The tailstock has two things. It has a lever in the back or a screw nut like on this machine. And the idea is by lifting the lever up, you lock the tailstock down. Now it's very important that when you go to use this to set your tool, that you have your tailstock locked down. The reason for that is if you don't, this thing will jump up and it won't be on center. But they do that so you can easily traverse it up and down. So you want to lock it down. This is our quill lock on top here. It needs to be locked also. It also locks the quill from moving anywhere.
What's the quill?
The quill is this. It is like on a drill press. The only difference is it moves in a horizontal fashion. Inside the quill is a tapered hole. That taper is a Morse taper. Morse tapers come in a variety of different sizes, from very small number 1s all the way up to 8. We utilize a number of them in here, 2 to 5, okay? We got this small machine has a number 2 Morse taper, which when it is locking taper, so when everything is very clean, that does not, I can't pull it out, I can't yank it out. To get this tool out of there, I need to retract the quill to a point, it bottoms out, and then it goes a little bit further and it jacks the tool out of that. Now, idiosyncrasy of this machine. The shank on the live center is not long enough to jack it out. So when it comes time to change it, we're going to have to show you our little trick to get that thing to work. Okay, so everybody's still with me, huh? Okay, alright, so headstock, our 3-jaw chuck, our work holding. Now, you will be using a 4-jaw chuck. In this 3-jaw chuck, it is what is known as a scroll chuck. You turn this, everything moves. When you do it in a 4-jaw, you turn this, only 1 jaw moves. So you have to use all 4. You can use that to get things very centered. You can use it to get it off-center. Okay, so everybody's still with me. We're going to bring, Kevin, can we bring that tray back up here so everybody's still with me? Good. All right.